Today, we examine how artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare from diagnostics to personalized treatment plans. AI systems like IBM Watson and Zebra Medical Vision are enhancing diagnostic accuracy, assisting doctors detecting diseases earlier and more reliably. By analyzing patients' data, AI can tailor treatment plans to individual needs, considering genetic information and lifestyle factors. AI accelerates drug development by predicting molecular interactions and identifying promising drug candidates, reducing the time and cost involved. AI powered telematic platforms and virtual health assistants are making healthcare more accessible and providing remote consultations and health monitoring. The integration of AI in healthcare brings ethical challenges, including data privacy concerns and the need for informed consent. AI is undeniably transforming healthcare, offering innovative solutions and posing new challenges. Till next time, tot ziens.